welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another Walmart Ibotta haul. I know you guys love to watch these videos because they get more views than all the other videos that I get. So today we are doing another Walmart Ibotta haul, and we got a couple of things, and I know I haven't done one in a while because I've been really busy, but I'm hopefully gonna start working on more of them for you guys. And I love, like, I don't know why, but it's really fun for me, as well as getting a bunch of stuff to like try out, and either for free or cheap. And then I like going and like donating things. Like I donated a bunch of stuff to some people who are homeless on the street, and they were really excited to get all the snacks and that I gave them. And so let's get started on this haul. It's a little smaller than usual, but I've been really busy with work and everything, and let me get started on this haul. Okay, so let's start off with this haul. And so this haul was a $1.73 moneymaker, so everything here was completely free. And this is the first thing that I picked up. This is actually a moneymaker. You're gonna pick up one of these by Kotex. They're the ultra so they're the ultra thin pads. They're the all-nighters, and they come in a 10 pack. So you're gonna pick up one of these. They're priced at $3.84. The Ibotta is gonna give you back 50 cents, and then for some reason there is a Walmart bonus when you buy any by Kotex product at Walmart. You're gonna get back a $2 bonus. And it gets way better. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch, and you get, let me see how much it is. It's $1.50 back on Fetch. And then there's also a coupons.com. If you've never done coupons.com, it's honestly just an app. You send in your receipt, you take a picture of it, and the money goes back into your PayPal, and it's really easy. So these are completely free. So head to your Walmart and get these. They're $1.16 moneymakers. And I've been really busy, honestly, and I haven't been hitting any of those bonuses, and there have been such good bonuses, but I've just been really busy with work. So let's go on to the next thing. So this tea, if you like to drink tea, so you're going to pick up these bags. So if you find these in your Walmart, they're the small bags. They're on sale right now. These are 98 cents. They contain 4 little tea bags. And so the one you're going to want to get is the energy tea, either in the green tea, or I think the other one is black tea. So check on that. And these little bags are perfect. You're going to submit this to Ibotta, and you're actually going to get back $1. So you're going to be completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. And I picked up 5, so you can pick up 5. That's the limit. I'm probably going to donate these because I like tea, but I don't know if I'll like this one because it has like a lot of caffeine, and I do not like to drink caffeine. I think it makes me a little nervous, but this is like actually a really great deal. You get that Ibotta, you get that Ibotta rebate, so you can hit the bonus, and you get this completely free. So go and pick up your tea. Okay, so this is the next item. This is these little wafer cookies. They're called Schär, I think. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but they're gluten free, and they're hazelnut wafers. And so you're gonna pick up one of these, or you can pick up 3 because I think 3 is the limit. So I picked up 3 of these. They are priced at $1.48. You're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta, making these completely free, and a 52-cent moneymaker for each one. So 52 cents times 3 is what you get for these cookies. Okay, so actually this is a lot bigger of a moneymaker because I didn't realize these are 52 cents each package, and I bought 3 of them, and then I think the tea was like 2 cents times 5. Okay, so this is the next item. You're going to go into the travel section and pick up this Jergens. It's the small, tiny travel size. And so you're going to pick up the one that says fair to medium. For some reason, the medium to dark or medium to deep doesn't work. But you're gonna pick up one of these. It's like infused coconut oil natural glow lotion. So this is priced at $1.97. You're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta, making this completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. You can pick up 2 of these, but I only picked up 1 because I'm not really sure if I'll use it. I don't know if it's like tanning or like, well, like it's not tanning, but it would think that it would have some color in it, but it looks like kind of, I just opened it right now and it looks like regular lotion. And it actually smells pretty good. Okay, so this is the last item that I grabbed. This is the MTN Dew Rise. I think it's an energy drink. So this is priced at $1.48. You're going to get back $1.48 on Ibotta, making this completely free. I picked up this strawberry melon spark. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can see more Ibotta videos. And we're also posting a lot of Disney food hauls and a bunch of other stuff. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. And see you guys next time. Bye.